This is a simple and delicious garlic prawn recipe. We have here 22 prawns with the tail intact, the head and shell removed and deveined. This is 1 tablespoon each of minced garlic, coriander leaves, butter and lime juice. We start by frying the prawns on medium-high heat with some oil and butter. Spread the prawns out to cook on one side. After about 1 minute, add the minced garlic. Stir and spread the prawns out again. Stir every now and then for more even cooking. Keep an eye on the garlic and make sure the garlic do not burn. The prawns are now cooked after about 4 minutes. Add the coriander leaves, lime juice, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and this is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.